Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. It's about to be released. Check it out. Go to Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. In this video, I'm going to share with you a term you might have heard of, maybe you haven't. It's called super prime properties. Super prime. You're going to see a graph come across the screen, but in this video, we're going to talk to you about the $10 million plus property. Again, I'm based in the Chicagoland market, and last year in 2023, only 3 properties, houses or condos, single family properties or condos, only 3 sold combined. The year before, 6. So we are not in a market where there's a lot of $10 million plus sales. What about your market? I want to share with you the number one market is Dubai. Globally, Dubai had around 350 $10 million plus sales, followed by London, and then third was New York. So in this graph, you'll see the top 12 markets. And again, you'll see Miami and LA. So LA is the second top market in the United States, followed by Miami, number 3rd, then Palm Beach, number 4, and Orange County is the 5th. So $10 million plus, it's a term called super prime. You should look up your data, and you should consider creating educational videos like this that are informative. People like high-end, they like luxury. I hope this is valuable to you. Go to Secret to Top Luxury Agents to get on the list for when our book launches. We're going to have a lot of exciting bonus items, and when this book launches, we're excited. We believe it will be a bestseller. For real estate questions, if you're getting value from this video, please leave us a like, leave us a review. And for real estate questions, contact us, Michael LaFido. Make it a great day, and don't forget to prove them wrong.